This video is on one-sided limits in calculus. Now, what is one-sided limits? Now, firstly, if you never watched the previous video on what is limits, this will be quite confusing, so watch that video first. But if I tell you, okay, so first of all, this whole function here, the red and the purple lines, are part of something called a piecewise function. Now, a piecewise function is when there's two functions in the same set of axes. So basically in this whole graph, there's two functions in them. It's called a piecewise function, okay? Now, if I tell you what is the limit of this piecewise function, now the limit of this piecewise function is basically like the red and purple graph, because both of them consist of the piecewise function. Now, if I ask you what's the limit from the left as x approaches 2. So you start at the left. Now, because you're on the left, you have to basically find the graph at the left, which is here. So as I'm going, my x's are going more to 2. Okay, can you see? It's going more to 2, more to 2, more to 2. Then it goes to 2. Now at 2, it stops. So what's the limit as x approaches 2? It'll be 4, because 4 is the y for which the graph stops and disappears. That's the limit. So your answer will be 4. But if you approach it from the right, okay, so I'm approaching it from the right, what is the limit as x approaches 2? So I'm going, my x values are decreasing, as you can see, decreasing. But when I go to 2 over here, my limit is whatever this value is. So let's say this value is 6. So this limit is 6. So when you approach 2 from the right, the limit is 6. If you approach 2 from the left, the limit is 4. Can you see? The limit is 4 when you approach it from here. When you approach it from here, the limit is 6. So basically, this means the limit does not exist for the whole piecewise function.